The articles of incorporation for our business of the year were signed by the Colorado Secretary of State. They opened their first location at the west end of Main Street in 1910 with 3 employees. 23 years later, they moved to 5th and Main. Another 20 years would pass before they moved off of Main Street to their 3rd location. Throughout this period, the company grew to be recognized for providing financial services to a wide array of business and individual customers. But they were more than a business to Grand Junction. They were an integral part of the community, even then donating time and money to help develop the pioneer town they had grown with for over 50 years. Let's fast forward a bit and tell you that this company was recognized by the Chamber already as a Business of the Year. But that was in 1993, and while the company is still committed to being your one-stop shopping source for all your banking and insurance needs, much has changed in 21 years, including an additional $1 million given to community organizations. This company created a foundation late in 1993 too, as the then company president said in a newspaper article, "So we'll have some dollars around that we ordinarily wouldn't have, and we can do some things we couldn't normally do." 4 years later, Sam Simplizio turned over the reins of the business to Jamie Hamilton, who currently serves as chairman and CEO. Home Loan has changed locations one more time and is now situated on the corner of 4th and Rood, still just 3 or 4 blocks from where the company first started. The 3 employees have grown to 50. Jamie, Craig Springer, and many of these employees are still actively engaged in serving the community from that location. They also became 2 divisions, Home Loan and Investment and Home Loan State Bank. While the numbers are not yet posted for 2013, they distributed $115,000 in 2012 to organizations like Challenger Baseball, Colorado Discoverability, the Mesa County Spelling Bee, and their regulars like the Mesa County Library, Mesa County Fair, Museum of Western Colorado, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, Riverside Education Center, and United Way. Once is sometimes not enough for receiving Business of the Year, especially when a company has been successful for well over 100 years and continues to give at an extraordinary level. Since last being named to this honor, Home Loan has distributed over $1.2 million in funding and thousands of hours of volunteer time to over 57 local organizations. Near and dear to the Chamber is the fact that Home Loan is a primary sponsor of the Young Entrepreneurs Academy. And just last week, Jamie Hamilton took time to share his experiences in business with middle school and high school students engaged in starting their own business. They just keep giving. Please join me in recognizing Home Loan, our 2014 Business of the Year.
Well, now I feel even better about the fact that Greg built our building. So didn't realize that was going to happen. So, obviously humbling, a little bit embarrassing. I remember being on this stage 21 years ago with my then boss and mentor, Sam Simplizio, and I guess I'd like to thank a couple people over the last 21 years. If you remember those in the crowd that are old enough, Connie Chung was supposed to be the guest speaker 21 years ago. She didn't come here because we were too conservative a state. So based on the marijuana thing, I expect her tonight. It might be too soon, but you know, thanks to the selection committee that thought that our years of giving warranted being named twice. We're very humbled by that. Thank you to our associates, 53 of them. A number of them are here tonight, so please stand up, people from Home Loan, to be recognized. The culture of giving that was established 117 years ago, what these people do as far as giving in their time, talent, and treasure is phenomenal, because they don't do it for personal profit. They do it because they have a passion in doing the right things that are going on in this community. And I'm very proud to help be associated with them for those things that they do in the community. I also want to recognize and thank all the other small businesses that we've worked with over the years. There's a number of you out there that I know do as much or more in this community, but never get the opportunity to be recognized. So thank you, because that's what makes us better each and every day. Want to congratulate the GJ Rockies. Tim, you're very kind to have the words for the history of the Junior College World Series coming up on our 58th year. You say go Rockies, I say go Tony La Russa. He's going to be here as our banquet speaker in May. You need to be there. This place won't be big enough for that. But Tim, congratulations to you guys, and I want to commend you for learning so quickly the fact that giving, it's what it's all about. And you've done that immensely with you and your staff. And thank you to the Bakers and the Montforts for what's going on. So I'll challenge you. I think you know me enough. I'll challenge you to continue that. And maybe 21 years from now, you might be up here again yourself. So I hope that's the case. You know, in a nutshell, we do it fairly simply. And that is the fact that we truly believe in this day and age where insurance and banking has become more of a commodity than a service, we still do business with friends. So in closing, a paraphrase a book that most of our salespeople read by Jeffrey Gittenberg, and it's the idea of sales. You make a you make a sale, you earn a commission. You make a friend, you make a career, and help build a community. We're very blessed to have all you as friends. Thank you very much.